Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to stain a Butcher Block countertop or island or whatever you're working with Butcher Block material. This is what I picked up in Home Depot. I've seen pretty good deals on Amazon as well, but I used this before and it's solid. So, stain we're using. Really good stuff. Gel is a lot easier to use. Oil based. And then this is what we're going to seal it with, but this is going to be after I do all the install and everything. And this is what you're gonna get with the mahogany finish. Let me show you. So this one's gonna dry now. Looks good. Now I'm gonna do the big one. First the back, then the top. This is the gel type, so as you see, this is how it's gonna be even if you mix it. Make sure you have the right brush for it. This is oil-based, if I didn't mention. So you need a thinner for cleanup. So the process of staining is very simple. And get your brush. First you're gonna go against the grain because you want to get it in all the cracks and all grooves. And then you go with the grain. And get it all in there. And that's it. Now you're gonna give it about 2 to 5 minutes. Wipe off the excess. And if you want, you'll do it again. So I'll do this again with the small piece, show you guys how that's done. But that's really the process. Good to coat both sides. I think they recommend it just to seal the wood somehow. But regardless, I'm doing both. I can always choose which side I want to use when I'm installing. Don't forget to get the edges as well. So now you want to give it about 2 to 5 minutes, as I mentioned. And then I'm wiping it down with an automotive shop towel. It doesn't have any lint on it. It works pretty well with this. But a microfiber rag or something like that will work as well. And let's wipe it down. There you go. You got a stained countertop. Like I mentioned, you still got to seal it. But I'm going to do that once I install it. So I'll show you guys that as well as at the end when it's all done. Alrighty, at this point everything's installed. Faucet, sink, little soap pump here, all the countertops. Everything's sealed by the edges. And now, what's left to do is treat our butcher block. So this is what I'm using. It's food safe. And I believe you apply it every few months. I will show you guys how to apply it in a second and go over all the details. So give it a good mix. You're gonna apply with a soft cloth. Let it sit for 6 hours. And then you can do another coat. It's basically an oil. There's a little odor to it, but I'm sure that will fade away with time. Go against the grain and with the grain to get it into all the grooves. But as you see, untreated, treated, looks gorgeous. So once you do this coat, wait 6 hours, do another coat, and then you want to wait actually 72 hours before regular use. And that will do it. I'll finish this up, show you guys the final product. So yeah, solid improvement. Hopefully it will last years to come. Just gotta stay on top of oil in the butcher block every few months. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope this is helpful. Check out the channel for other how-to videos, this kitchen rebuild, and lots of other stuff. Thanks so much.